Welcome to today's trade. Today I traded GER30 and took an L. I was gone for quite a while purely because I was either unable to trade on the day or I just simply couldn't find trades, as recently I couldn't really find any trades really. So I'll just get on with today's trade. So I'll mark out the opening time, market open, which was 8 AM, and my daily bias for the day was bullish. The main reason was the overall trend was basically bullish, like on the bigger time frame. And this is not, I wouldn't say this is a break of structure looking back at it now, but the price almost broke structure. But when I was looking at it in the morning, I kind of saw it as like a break of structure, as well as all these wicks kind of showing that they kind of want to go up. But yeah, so I was basically looking for buys. So I went into the 15-minute time frame. I marked out liquidity. So I marked this one out, this one out. And if you look into the 1 hour, you'd see that it would basically wipe out all this 1 hour liquidity, which would drive the price up basically even more. So basically when the market opened, the price did sweep out liquidity, and then after a liquidity there was a break of structure which happened here. So there's a break of structure here, and with that break of structure there is a fair value gap that was left over, so I'll mark that out. Oh, it's being annoying. And another fair value gap as well. So there was a big push, big sweep in liquidity, pushing the price up. So at that point I was basically looking for entries. Once the price basically went back into the fair value gaps, for an extra confluence I used the equilibrium tool and used the most recent low to the most recent high to basically get an entry within this fair value gap, and use this fair value gap as a safety net, as just in case like the price goes down in there, and use it as like a stop loss, as I doubt the price would have gone all the way down here. So I was basically waiting for this. The price did retreat, and the price hit the fair value gap, and it showed the bullish candle appeared. So I entered off that. I put my stop loss below the second fair value gap, somewhere around here, plus 2 pips, and I set my take profit to be above this 15-minute high, so it would have been like a 1.24. So what the price did was it dipped even further into the second fair value gap, so I could have even entered off here and set my stops to be even safer here. But what the price did instead was it pushed up and then just like didn't want to move, and then continued its way down, and it would have stopped me out. But then during the day it went further back up, so that's basically the trade. What I could have done better was probably set my daily bias better, but the price is moving not the best, like the price action over the past, I'd say, week or two, or ever since I did my last trade, to be honest. So if you look at the 1 hour time frame, there's barely any price action here, so it's just awful. So yeah, that's basically today's trade.